Poll expenditure limit for candidates to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha hiked by 10%. Police Commemoration Day will also be observed as Police Flag Day, says Assam DGP Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta. Northeastern states along with the rest of the country battling corona upsurge valiantly. Assam Mizoram Home Secretaries hold talks on resolution of boundary flare-up. And Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal opens Kaziranga National Park for tourists. Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the Northeast News Bulletin. This is Sangeeta Bhattacharjee. Now with the details. Poll expenditure limit for candidates to the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha has been increased by a margin of 10%. In tandem with the Election Commission stand, the centre approved the panel's recommendations in view of the restraints and constraints prevalent in the country during the exigency of the COVID situation. According to the notification issued by the Law Ministry, candidates for the Lok Sabha can now spend 77 lakh rupees. This amount was early on 70 lakh rupees. For elections to the assemblies, candidates would now be able to spend 10% more of the amount earlier earmarked for poll expenditure. Assam Director General of Police Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta has said that from this year onwards, the Police Commemoration Day on October 21 will also be observed as the Police Flag Day, as personnel dedicate themselves to the motherland. Speaking on the occasion of the Police Commemoration Day at the 4th Assam Police Battalion headquarters at Kahilipara in the city, the DGP said, beginning from the 1990s till 2012, the state was witness to a very unstable situation over extremist activities. The hard work put in by Assam police personnel and other armed forces managed to rein in the unrest, Mahanta added. The DGP said so far 343 police personnel have laid down their lives battling the coronavirus pandemic, serving the nation and the state as frontline COVID warriors. The commemoration day that traces its history back to October 21, 1959, when 20 Indian soldiers were attacked by Chinese troops in Ladakh, was attended by State Chief Secretary Sanjay Krishna along with other senior police officers.
সেইসমূহৰ ভিতৰত অন্যতম হৈছে আৰক্ষী বিভাগ যেনেদৰে সামৰিক বাহিনীসমূহে দেশৰ প্ৰতিৰক্ষাৰ স্বাৰ্থত ৰ'দ বতাহ বৰষুণ নেওচি ভূমিস্খলনৰ বা হিমস্খলনৰ দৰে চূড়ান্ত প্ৰতিকূল পৰিস্থিতিটো মাতৃভূমিৰ প্ৰতি কৰ্তব্য পালনত কোনো হীন দেৰি নকৰে ঠিক তেনেদৰে আৰক্ষী বিভাগেও সমাজৰ অতন্দ্ৰ প্ৰহৰী ৰূপে দিনে নিশাই সষ্টম হৈ থাকে
আৰক্ষী স্মৃতি পেৰেড 2020 আৰু আজিৰ দিনটো এই বছৰৰ পৰা আৰক্ষী ফ্ল্যাগ ডে হিচাপেও অবজাৰ্ভ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট ভাৰত চৰকাৰে নিৰ্দেশ দিছে আৰু অহা 31 তাৰিখলৈকে
Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today paid homage to all police personnel who had laid down their lives in the line of duty. In a tweet, Naidu said the nation is ever grateful to them for their sacrifice, valor and commitment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid tributes to all the police personnel martyred in the line of duty on Police Commemoration Day. In a series of tweets, Modi said Police Commemoration Day is about expressing gratitude to the police personnel and their families all across India. He said their sacrifice and service will always be remembered. The Prime Minister said that from maintaining law and order to solving horrendous crimes, from assistance in disaster management to fighting COVID-19, the police personnel always gave their best without hesitation. Home Minister Amit Shah today said that the government is working on making the border impregnable by linking technology with human force. Addressing the Police Commemoration Day parade at National Police Memorial in New Delhi, Shah paid tribute to police personnel who lost their lives in the line of duty. Shah said so far 35,398 police personnel have laid down their lives for the nation. Enacting a significant and frontline role as COVID warriors, 343 police and central police personnel have fallen prey to COVID-19, Shah added. Even as the Police Commemoration Day is being observed throughout the country today, the 24th Battalion of the Seema Sashastra Bal SSB Rangya, Assam observed the day with a solemn function at the battalion headquarters. Commandant of the SSB unit Rishikesh Sharma paid tributes at the Martyrs column after raising the flag early on, felicitating the mother Nalini Medhi and young son of Nokul Medhi of Gurkochi Rangya, who was killed in an encounter at Panbari with NDFB guerrillas in 2013. The commandant recalled the gallantry and devotion to duty of SSB personnel who sacrificed their lives in the line of duty. Senior SSB officers and Jawans were present on the occasion. Along with the rest of the country, Nagaland also observed the Police Commemoration Day today at New Police Reserve Tennis Court, Pisama, Kohima. Director General of Police T. John Longkumar in his speech said the day is being commemorated to pay homage to the supreme sacrifice of policemen all over India. He said that it was a sacrifice aimed at securing a better tomorrow for all others. He said the police plays a crucial role in the development of a nation. On this day, on 21st November 1959, a CRPF mobile patrolling party led by DCIO Karam Singh was ambushed in Aksai Chin area of Ladakh by an overwhelming number of Chinese troops. Undaunted, they fought back till 10 were killed and 9 captured, the DGP added. Records state that till 1947, over 35,000 policemen have sacrificed their lives in the line of duty. John also said Nagaland police officers and men have also made such supreme sacrifices.
This is a sacrifice which is aimed at securing a better tomorrow for all of us and for all others. Police plays a crucial role in the development of a nation. They do this by maintaining law and order, by foiling the nefarious ploys of insurgents as well as anti-socials, which was witnessed during the pandemic, by helping the needy and by ensuring smooth flow of essential services to the people.
Now we take a short commercial break. Do stay with us.
ये विशाल है ना, इसका सब प्रॉपर चलता है।
उसके बैंक अकाउंट में 15,000 रुपए का फ्रॉड हुआ है, पता है?
इसको तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं होती है, देखना।
टेंशन क्यों? मेरी कोई गलती नहीं थी। फिर भी फ्रॉड होने पर मैंने तुरंत बैंक को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया। आरबीआई कहता है अगर आपके अकाउंट से किसी ने धोखे से पैसे निकाले हैं तो बैंक को जल्द से जल्द इन्फॉर्म कीजिए। 3 दिन के अंदर इन्फॉर्म किया तो कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। जितना लेट करोगे उतना ज्यादा नुकसान। और सुन, सब चलता नहीं है, प्रॉपर चलाना पड़ता है। आरबीआई कहता है जानकार बनिए, सतर्क रहिए।
Welcome back. The surge of COVID-19 pandemic sweeping the northeast has seen 29,800 active cases in Tripura, even as the cured cases stand at 27,013. The tally for the dead in the state is 332. The number of active cases in Manipur has touched 16,062, even as the figure for the discharge stands at 12,059. The dead number 121. In Arunachal Pradesh, the active cases number 13,778, with the cured cases pegged at 11,035. The dead account for 31. Active cases in Meghalaya has touched 8,593, while the discharged account for 6,497. Nagaland has 8,020 active cases, even as the cured number 6,334. The tally for the dead in the state is 28. In Sikkim, the figure for active cases is 3,643, while the cured cases stand at 3,326. The dead account for 63. Mizoram is yet to report any casualty from the pandemic, as both the active and cured cases stand at 2,310. In Assam, the total number of active cases has reached 26,775, while the number of cured cases has topped 1,74,411. The dead in the state has touched 884. In a tweet, Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma said that in the latest instance, 666 cases were detected out of 38,585 tests conducted, with a positivity rate of 1.73%. Dr. Sharma added that the total number of cases in the state afflicted with COVID-19 account for 2,02,073. While the COVID recovery rate in the country has touched 88.81%, more than 61,000 patients recovered in the last 24 hours. The Health Ministry has said that the total number of recoveries has topped 67,95,103, even as the total number of active cases have touched 76,51,107. The tally for the dead has topped 1,15,950. The Indian Council of Medical Research has said that more than 10,83,000 tests were carried out during the last 24 hours. As the global pandemic holds the world in a tight grip, the number of active cases has topped 4,10,93,940, while the number of cured cases has reached 3,65,05,537. The death spread across the world has topped 11,30,531. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has appealed to all the citizens not to lower their guard in the fight against COVID-19 during the upcoming festive season. In a tweet, Naidu said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has rightly advised in his address to the nation yesterday that we have to continue our fight against coronavirus by wearing masks, washing hands and maintaining safe distance till a vaccine is found and normalcy restored. The Home Secretaries of Assam and Mizoram held a high-level meeting on Wednesday to resolve the boundary flare-up. Officials from Assam and Mizoram, led by the Home Secretaries, met at an army training school close to Lailapur along the interstate boundary to resolve the imbroglio and bring back peace and normalcy in the disturbed areas. As part of confidence-building measures, both the sides would have interaction and coordination once a month at the Deputy Commissioner level, SP's level and DFO level to hammer out any issues. Assam Home Secretary Gyanendra Dev Tripathi asked his Mizoram counterpart to withdraw forces from Assam territory and maintain status quo. Presence of Mizoram policemen have also caused a fear psychosis in the minds of truckers and helpers, Tripathi said, adding the Mizo Corps must be withdrawn at the earliest. Mizoram Home Secretary Pai Lalbiak Sanghi said she would place the request from Assam to the higher authorities for withdrawal of forces. Meanwhile, she urged the Assam counterpart to ensure movement of trucks laden with essential commodities stranded on Assam side of the border. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has called upon tourists visiting Kaziranga to take adequate precautions and adhere to COVID protocol to fend off the COVID-19 from afflicting them. Inaugurating the opening of the main entrance to the Kaziranga National Park at Mihimo, Kohora for 2020-2021, Sonowal stressed on the importance of wearing masks and maintaining social distance. Strict COVID protocol is being strictly followed in Kaziranga, even as tires of vehicles are being sanitized and temperatures of tourists recorded around the clock. The Kaziranga authorities have banned entry of children below 2 years of age and citizens above 65 years. Industries Minister Chandra Mohan Patwari, Agriculture Minister Atul Bora, Water Resources Minister Keshav Mohanto, MLA Rituparna Borua and Chief Conservator of Forests M.K. Yadav and Director of the Park Periya Swami Shiv Kumar were present on the occasion.
গড়ৰ লগতে অন্যান্য বন্যপ্ৰাণীয়ে দেশ বিদেশৰ পৰ্যটকসকলৰ মন জয় কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে আৰু এই উদ্যোগটোৰ দ্বাৰা আমি বিশ্বৰ বুকুত মৰ্যাদা সহকাৰে আত্মপ্ৰকাশ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছো গতিকে সেইভাবে
To end the news, the headlines once again. Poll expenditure limit for candidates to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha hiked by 10%. Police Commemoration Day will also be observed as Police Flag Day, says Assam DGP Bhaskar Jyoti Mohanto. Northeastern states, along with the rest of the country, battling corona upsurge valiantly. Assam Mizoram Home Secretaries hold talks on resolution of boundary flare-up. And Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal opens Kaziranga National Park for tourists. Before taking leave, viewers are reminded to maintain social distancing, frequently use soap and sanitizer, and properly use the mask for your own security. Mask Up India. And that brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.